Good job, Marissa. Keep watching. Gotta carry that egg. Oh no!
Not too fast. Don't want to lose that egg. There's your cone.
Take your time. Oh no! Gotta start over. It's real slow. Oh, Jonathan.
Not too fast.
Good.
It's time for. Here we go. Drip, drip, squeeze.
Big circle on the black top. Big circle.
And there's Mrs. Mac. Time for the giddy up horse race. And there's the horse, Marissa's team. Kulan's team. Christopher's team. Eric's team.
Go, Ashley,
fast! Giddy up! Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up!
Okay, Nick, grab the bandana and go. Good, Ashley. All right, Leapy. Yay, good job. All right.
Go, Johanna!
Now the ring. Okay. Go back. Good job.
Good job!
Okay, listen to Mr. Stasiak.
Bridging ceremony. Brownies are waiting. There's Marissa.
Okay, we're going to get started now. Caroline's here. Caroline's here. Hey, Ethan. Why don't you sit up here on the green blanket? Hey, Rachel, get in line, sweetheart.
Tom, plugged in, or do you think you're that
Hi, Caroline. We're here today to watch our daisies become brownies. My name is Kim Seitz and this is Jean Murray. We've had a very wonderful year with these girls. See them bloom into their brownies and their first year of kindergarten, and we're both looking very forward to being their leaders for brownies next year. and we'd like to thank you all for coming.
Thank you.
Okay, Rachel. No, come here, sweetie. Kim's going to put your pen on.
That Rachel. That's
I'll hold the balloon. They're getting their 1-year membership pin. Okay, now Rachel, over the bridge, sweetie. Over the bridge to a wonderful.
Yay!
There you go. Megan Janda. Over the bridge to a wonderful.
Yay!
Lauren Spalding. Over the bridge to a wondrous thing, a daisy joins the brownie.
Yay!
And Mary Murray. Over the bridge to a wondrous thing, a daisy joins the brownie.
Yay! Now the circle grows.
Barrett Carlson. Over the bridge to a wondrous thing, a daisy. And Brooke Dyke.
This one looks like she'll be last.
Over the bridge to a wondrous thing, the daisy joins the brownie. Gracie Goldberger. Over the bridge to a wondrous thing, a daisy joins the brownie. Marissa Barnett. Over the bridge to a wondrous thing, a daisy joins the brownie. And Michelle May. Over the bridge to a wondrous thing, a daisy joins the brownie.
Yay!
We're just going to sing Make New Friends. If anybody wants to join along.
Make new friends, but keep the old.
one is silver and the other's gold. A ring is round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend.
I break the ring and out you fly.
Woo!
Okay, and the Brownie Girl Scouts wanted to give a brownie to all the new brownies. So girls, the new brownies, not the old brownies. Once you grab a brownie, then you go sit with your family. Not you.
I know, you're really good sneaker.
Oh, wow. Marissa, you got a brownie for me? Yeah, me.
Mom.
Hey, sharing. Isn't that what we're learning here, Tracy? No. Marissa, I'm over here. Come here. Give me some of that brownie. Daisies. Brownies.
These flowers represent the spirit of Girl Scouting.
I will do my best. Okay, number one.
To be honest, this means that we can be tempted to live up to our promise.
Number 2.
To be fair, you will be fair to your troop, your leader, your home, your religious institution, your school, your community, your state, your country, your teachers, and your friends. To help protect and improve the world around me. Girl Scouts will help the world become a better place to live. What?
Oh, 10.
To show respect for myself and others through my words and actions. This important part means that you will show concern for your own development, as well as the well-being of others. There's a green circle behind the star.
Okay, girls, come on over here.
Yeah.
These are got a pin. Oh, let's see it.
Mom, where?
Let go, let me see. Star pin. Cool, look.
Healer Janda.
Yay! See, the brownies get to become junior girls.
And now the girls are getting their junior vest and their patches and their bridge to junior badge.
Oh, more patches.
And something else. So on, because the mothers have all said they really like sewing things on. Yeah, they like sewing things on the vest.
Serve God and my country, to help people at all times, and to live by the Girl Scout law.
Yay! Woo! Time to eat. What do you think, Marissa? You hungry? Are you always hungry? You got lots of bones in me for you. Favorite thing you ate, Marissa?
Strawberry.
Yeah, you me.